Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl andjeleanemichelle. In today's video, I will be reviewing a wig from Sensationnel by the name of Butta Unit 20. I hope you enjoy. So you guys, I wanted to show you the stock art along with the different colors this wig comes in and then the packaging. Now, as far as with the features with this wig, it says that it comes with a virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones. It has a ear-to-ear lace with a 5-inch deep hand-tight parting area. It also comes pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, and it is a natural density hairline. Then completely at the bottom, it just goes in to show you the difference between the normal lace and then the Butta lace. When I first took this wig out of the packaging, I thought it was going to be one of those wigs that got tangled up, but I really love the curls and it actually proved me wrong. So this wig comes with 2 clips on the side, and then at the bottom you see here that it has its clip, and then it comes with the standard 2 adjustable straps on either side as well. So this is what I use to tint my lace. You want to shake it up really good before you start to spray it onto the wig. And if, for example, you start to get it on the black part, no worries, you can just wet a paper towel and then rub it and it comes immediately right off. But as far as with the lace, it does stay and it doesn't transfer onto your hair or your wig cap that you're using under your wig. This is literally one of the best wax sticks I've used. I just apply it to the hair to, of course, lay down any flyaways, and then I just go in with my hot comb. I just can't pick up any other wax stick that works like this one to tame the flyaways. And the flyaways, no matter how many times I wear the wig, it doesn't come back up. Like, this is just a one-time thing. But if you do need to go back in to touch it up, you can. But I love it, and I just use the hot comb to flatten the wig down and get it to the desired style that I'm looking for. So when it comes to cutting the wig, I'll usually just cut straight across. I've tried doing like a zigzag method, which is also great as well. And then I also just cut it in sections so that it's a nice clean cut as what you see here. So you guys, this is the finishing look. I do apologize because I thought the whole time I was looking in the camera, but I wasn't. This wig is so cute. I'm telling you guys, when I wore it to work, I got compliments from my guy coworkers and my female coworkers as well. It was such a fun wig to wear, and it did not get tangled, nor did it look like synthetic. It is amazing. So you guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I look to see you in the next one.